So in addition to all of the large features that we've done for Photoshop CS5, we've also taken a page out of the After Effects playbook and decided to do what we call JDI, or Just Do It features. And the whole idea with JDI is to set aside a week of development time to put our pens down and just focus on user-driven features and workflow enhancements. And so these came from user research, customer support, the National Association of Photoshop Professionals. We put a call out on our Facebook page, which reached well over 300,000 people. And we came back and we took that data and we prioritized it based on what we'd heard from all of these different places. And we ended up turning that into nearly just over 36 features. So all sorts of little things for all sorts of different people. So just an example, sticky layer styles. If you go into layer styles and you want to add a drop shadow or bevel or emboss or stroke, everyone has a different way of doing that. And we realized that it wasn't about changing the default. It was allowing users to configure their own default to save time the next time they went in there. And another example that was a huge one, you have a 16-bit file, say you're coming out of Camera Raw or Lightroom, you've got this large high-res file, and you want to save that as a JPEG. And if you're a new user, you just can't figure out why that isn't available to you. But if you're a power user, you have to go through all these steps to save it out as a JPEG and downsample it. So that's one of those things we're just doing automatically on the go. We're downsampling it for you and allowing you to do that. And that was a big stumbling block for a lot of people. So a lot of workflow enhancements, performance things, even things like content, behavioral stuff, a lot of time spent looking over people's shoulders and figuring out how we can remove obstacles in their workflow.